Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a custom makeup for like a spa theme, I guess. So you do need custom makeup for this. I'm saying this because I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to choose this one because I just want that one. And then for the lips, I'll just randomly use this one as well. And then what you'll need to use for custom makeup is this one right here in like a green color. I think this one's really good. You can add like more to it if you would like to, and like layer more on. So it looks like it's like on the nose, and maybe you can use this for like a cucumber. I can't really color it green, so that's like not very good, but hopefully in the new update they might change that. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But that is pretty much it really. I don't know what else you can add to make it more spa themed. You can add like this for like a messier, I guess, like spa mask, so it doesn't look too perfect. It's up to you though, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.